So in this video, we're gonna be talking about the best tool for Udemy coming up. So hello there, my name is Nick Nyxson, and on this channel we help you, the content creator, to create the content and monetize it as a main or side income. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell to not skip any future videos. So in this video, we're gonna talk about the best tool for Udemy. And if you don't know what Udemy is, well, we have an entire playlist in the card or in the description down below. You can check it out and understand what Udemy is and why you should use it like 100%. And in one of the previous videos, I talked about the Udemy's one of the best tools, which is called Marketplace Insights. And by the way, you can check this video right here where we talk about why you should teach on Udemy. It's a very interesting video. You can check it out if you want. And one of the best advantages, one of the biggest advantages of Udemy in this video, and I think in my opinion, was Udemy Marketplace Insights tool. And it is one of the most powerful tools ever given to the online course creator, and you should use it 100%. So let's talk about it. So why it is so powerful and why this tool is so big for any Udemy users. And the answer is information. This tool gives you so much info about the courses, about the course sales, about the course info, about the keywords, about the topics, about the student demand, about the course numbers, about the course income, that you will have a perfect understanding whether the course topic that you want to create about or the course that you want to create is actually really a good course topic for you. And these things can make or break your courses from the very beginning. And because you have so much info about your future course, you are going through this very ready. And this is why this tool is very powerful and so important for anyone who wishes to create these courses, any courses for Udemy. So first things first, you need to understand that this tool works only for Udemy. It gives you information only about Udemy, because I don't know, like in the past, like some of the people asked like whether this works for Skillshare or whether this works for Teachable or for Google. No, this Marketplace Insights for Udemy only. So this works only if you are willing to upload your courses on Udemy. So like some courses may work really well on Udemy but may not work on other platform. So don't get the Marketplace Insights to get an information about any other platform. Tool works only for Udemy. So let me just jump right in and show you how you can access this tool. This tool is available through the Instructor dashboard. So if you want to know about more Marketplace Insights, you should be registered as an instructor on Udemy. And to enter this dashboard, you need to go to the tools and you just need to press Marketplace Insights, because there are not a lot of tools for Udemy Instructor available. Just press Marketplace Insights and you will be taken directly to the Marketplace Insights tool. And what you will see right away is the search box where you can just type in different search terms or different topics that you want to know about, and it will just give you the information about this. Will just take you to the Marketplace Insights main dashboard and give you all information about this topic. But what's very interesting about the main window of the Marketplace Insights is the Promising Topics tab, which gives you 5 promising topics that is very big and are on the rise. And you need to pay really close attention to these topics, because if one of the topics is the topic that you know about, this will be probably one of the biggest opportunities for you to jump right into on Udemy, create the course about one of those 5 topics. It actually changes daily because the topics are just going up and down daily. So you can check these topics daily and find out whether the promising topics is one of the topics that you want to create your course about. So when you find out the topic that you want to create the course about, or when you find out the topic that you want to know more about, you will have a few tabs available for you because this information is divided into different tabs. So first tab that we're going to talk about, first section that we're going to talk about is opportunity overview, which gives you a very deep information whether it is a good opportunity or the bad opportunity to create the course about this particular topic. So first thing that you will need to pay attention is the phrase, whether this is a good opportunity or not. Udemy usually tells you exactly whether you should create the course about this topic or not. It does not tell you that, oh, it's good or it's bad, but with the phrasing you can understand exactly what they mean. If they tell you that it's a very great opportunity to create a course about, that means that you need to create about this course, about this topic right now. You need to create a course about this topic right now because it's a great opportunity. If the Udemy is telling that you need to bring your A game, meaning that you need to be really good in order to stand out from the crowd, and this usually means that this is not a good opportunity to create your course about. So pay attention to this phrase. This opportunity is calculated by 4 informational tabs you have down there as well, and it is this student demand, it is the number of courses, it's a median revenue, and the top income revenue from the top courses. So meaning that how many students are actually searching for this topic, how many courses are created for this topic, what is earning, what is the average earning for the course on this topic, and what is the top earning for these courses. If the numbers are closer to the green, like the high demand and low courses, this is the great opportunity and you need to jump on this right away. Plus, if you see the top income and you see the median income really low, that doesn't mean that you are not gonna make a lot of money. The top income can be like around $200 or can be $20,000, meaning that an approximate amount of numbers, how many students are actually enrolling. So you need to pay really close attention to these numbers, and this will be like probably one of the biggest factors while you should choose this topic or not. Next tab will give you a lot of information as well. It is giving you information about search volume, about trend, about keywords, about other topic, about sources, and about conversion, meaning that it gives you information about how many people are actually searching for it, what's the trend of this topic, is it rising, is it falling, how it's been rising for the last 6 months. It gives you keywords, meaning that how people are actually searching for this topic, and this is really good for your future SEO, for your future course. It gives you other topics, meaning that what are the other related topics to this, maybe because the topic that you're creating about may not be the great opportunity, but the related ones can be the great. So you need to look into those as well. It gives you information about sources, meaning that how people are actually getting to this course, where people are actually buying this course from. Is it for discovery, is it through organic search, is it through the promotion, is it through ads, etc. This is not this big thing that you need to really pay close attention to, but it will give you approximate understanding what will be your income, because if it's discoverable through discovery or organic, meaning that you're gonna get a higher cuts, and if it's getting more discovered more through ads, meaning that you're getting a lower cut, and if it's getting discovered through the promotions, meaning that the course creators are actually working hard to promote these courses, and these high numbers are mainly coming from the promotions themselves. So you can pay attention to these numbers as well. And the very important one is the conversion. It's a percentage of people looking for the content and actually buying the content. The higher the conversion is, the better, because if the conversion is low, it means that people are just looking into this content and they're just not buying it. So if you're there, the conversion is high, meaning that people who are looking for this content are usually determined to buy the courses about this content. So you just need to pay close attention to this number as well. Last tab but not least is the other courses tab, meaning that it shows you how many courses are there that have chosen the topic that you're looking at right now as their primary topic. By the way, you can choose the topic as a secondary and tertiary, or however it's called, topic, because you can choose a few topics, but you need to choose only one primary topic. How many courses are rated 4.5 and above, and how many sales are being generated by these highly rated courses. So you will understand that how people are actually how your competition is actually working on that. And plus, in addition to that, you're gonna see all the courses down there. Like usually it's gonna tell you the top courses, but you can search for the all courses as well, which are creating the courses for exact topic that you are looking at. This gives you an understanding what people are doing well, how people are getting on the top, how people are creating courses, how long your course should be, how many lectures your course should have. You're gonna see the reviews. You're gonna sit down and go through the reviews of these courses to understand what people are actually looking for in the course, or what they got or what they didn't get, and you can create something that is better. This is a very powerful tool. You know exactly what your competitors are doing. You know what their students are looking for, and you can give them exactly that. That is why, because all of those reasons, because all of those things that I talked about, the Udemy Marketplace Insights is a very, very powerful tool. It gives you all the information it can give. What else they could give you? It's exactly everything that they can give to you in order to work with, and you can work with all this information in order to craft the course that people are looking for, and the course that people will buy, because you know exactly what they want. And this is a tool that you should use right away. I used this tool a few times actually in the past with the creation of the small course, and it actually worked pretty well, because it generated an additional income for me with a course that are actually hour or even less long, because I knew that this topic would be sold, because there were like not enough courses about these topics, or people were actually willing to buy these topics a lot. So I just created this. I just use this for now in the past, and I'm willing to use this in the future while I'm gonna create other courses for Udemy or any other platforms in the future. So overall, Udemy Marketplace Insights is your best friend on Udemy. Use it. Use it extensively. Use it a lot. Sit down and spend hours in it to find the best topic that you can create the course about. Find the best topic and then start creating the course. By the way, if you don't know how to create and upload the course on Udemy, you have a video right here about the Udemy uploading. It's pretty long, but it's very detailed. And if you don't know how to create courses as fast as possible, I have the video about this as well, which is the creation of the topic, I think in 9 steps. I think I did in 9 simple steps. You can check this out. So Udemy course creation is as simple as it can get. There is nothing simpler than that. So just jump right onto the Marketplace Insight and start creating it right now. So this was it for today. Thank you for being here with me, and like the video if you like it, subscribe if you want more videos like this one, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. See ya.